Ever wondered how to become a Google Docs whiz? Well, fasten your seatbelts because we're diving into the magical world of Google Docs where you can create, edit, and share your work effortlessly. First, let's talk about making your text look snazzy. You can change the style of your text to make it bold, italic, underlined, or even strike through. To do this, simply highlight the text you want to modify. Go to the toolbar at the top and select the style you want. But what if you want to make your text bigger or smaller? Easy peasy. Highlight the text, go to the toolbar and click on the box with a number. This is your font size. Click on it and choose the size you want. And colors? Yes, you can change those too. Highlight the text, go to the toolbar, and click on the letter A with a color line under it. This is your font color. Click on it and choose the color that best suits your mood. Moving on, do you know how to structure your text and attribute any sources for your pictures? After inserting a picture into your document, always remember to include a caption underneath it. This caption should say where you got the picture from. Now, onto one of the most important features of Google Docs, sharing your document. You can share your work with your classmates by clicking on the blue Share button at the top right corner. Enter your classmates' email address and they will receive an invitation to view your document. You can also decide whether they can edit, comment, or only view your document. Finally, ever made a change to your document and wanted to go back to how it was before? Well, Google Docs has a super handy feature called Revision History. Go to File, then Version History, and then See Version History. You will see a list of all the changes you've made and you can click on any of them to go back to that version. So there you have it. You've now learned how to format text, structure your document, share your work, and even revisit old changes. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead and start exploring Google Docs. You'll be a whiz in no time.